Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Let's share what did we learn yesterday. I am sure you have understood the greetings words and some other phrases. In yesterday class, we learned introducing yourself as hello, what is your name? Where are you from? So, students, are you excited to learn something new today? Yes. So today we will learn some another things. As my name is Dhananjay Kumar, I am 34 years old. I am from Bihar. I like to playing cricket, etc. So what did we learn today, students? Okay, thank you.